Hey y'all, APG Jamie here, and today I'm showing off a studio cleanup, and there's a bit of a tour. Yes, a studio cleanup with a bit of a tour, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. I guess you're just gonna have to stay tuned and check it out, y'all.
And here we go. So I'm not finished, but I am done with my reorganization, cleanup, purge of a little bit. And yeah, so this is just kind of a little room tour. This is my Raskog, and in it I have my napkins on the two bottoms, and the top one is my studio cleanup folder stuff that we do at my lives on the third Thursday of the month. And on this table, which I hope to be clearing away soon, I have upcoming projects and napkins I will be offering for sale at some point in time. I have some stuff that is going for donation. Back there is a box of my broken down boxes, also known as faux chipboard. Over here is still a mess, the current project, my heavy books, sink, and all the usual stuff that y'all have seen before a long time ago. Was in my first video. This is all stuff I still need to go through. Like I said, I'm not finished, but I am done. So yeah, I've got frames and different things, and that is mostly excess storage containers and stuff like that, and a box of some boxes, canvases, and my to-go bag, and also down here I have a couple of rolly carts to go. Here is my famous or infamous, your choice, stencil storage. Like I said, I'm not finished, but I'm done. I have mishmash in that container. The turquoise ones back there, those tubs, contain 3D projects for whenever I feel like doing it. And this is the same old stuff down here that's been down here. Here's my die cutting center. All this stuff I hope to go through one day. This works, but I hope to get find some kind of a shelf to put it in, put my dies, but big dies on that will make them easier to get to. And these are all in a box, little small thinlits and stuff like that, and I have some in this container as well. Here is what are those, like magazine holders from the Dollar Tree, I reckon, and I just keep spare leftover cardstock bits for when you need to die cut some little something or another. Okay. Here's my big old giant guillotine that I love so much. Okay. In the window, I have attached a tension bar, and I have some stuff hanging from it. I don't need curtains in my studio because it's this side faces onto the breezeway, and there's nothing there but my house on the other side of the breezeway. And as you can see, I have ribbons hanging and ribbons hanging. I've got stuff to use here and stuff to use there. That is a current project. And then here I have installed command hooks and little wooden dowels, because those are the size I had. And I have hung my bottles, or hung my acrylic paints on there, y'all. I'm trying to get it out. You'd almost think I didn't know what I was going to be talking about, didn't you? So that's what that is. And I've got various things in these containers. And these are my jelly plates. and this is deli paper. I've got white. That is the best kind. It's flat. I say it's the best kind for me, y'all. I get it from Sam's Club. It is flat, 12 by 12, but slightly over 12 by 12, really. And it's white. And then I've got some tan, well, craft color. And I talked somebody into selling me some of these at their little food truck. And then someone gave me those. I've got some books over here. I've got books in some of these upper cabinets as well. The magazines, my intention for those to go through all those magazines, pull out the artist papers that they include in those sometimes, well, all the time, I guess, and the articles that inspire me. I plan on pulling those out as well. Again, here's that stack of envelopes that I've stopped adding to. Thank you very much. And just various things. Some stuff I do have labeled, some I don't. Some I do know where it is. I just know where it is. Here are, these are all my stamps, rubber and clear stamps. I love this filing system. It so works for me. And I'm keeping it, okay? There are my scrapbook papers and scrapbook cardstock. That right there is my stamp carving stuff. In the file cabinet is various letter size cardstocks. That drawer contains stuff that I send out in Happy Mail. And I'm trying not to move too fast and try not to show you our real junk, because we do store junk out here. I mean, treasure. We store treasure out here, y'all. There's my infamous noise-making air conditioner slash. Okay, here we go again. So when I dribbled the phone, it turned the video off. So there we go. So this is the back side of my desk, okay? And I've recently acquired these wooden crates from Michael's. They were on sale, and I really like them. Got them standing up on wire racks. Various shoe boxes and other Dollar Tree storage bins with various things in them. And of course, I can access everything in the drawers. This Raskog has my paper clips and various stickers and journaling paper stuffs in there. This is my jewelry making Raskog. I say jewelry loosely. Oh, I do make, yeah, sometimes, y'all know. Okay. And I may have already talked about the file cabinet. I don't know. Since I dropped the phone, I didn't even realize it had stopped. So I've got canvases over here. The best time to get them is from Michael's when they have their, is that at the beginning of the summer or at the end of the summer? I can't remember. They do it once a year, and they put them on at ridiculously crazy good prices, y'all. And I have different papers and Happy Mail stuff in the top one. The poetry is in the bottom two. I've got my scrapbook, or AKA designer papers and cardstocks here. I like to flip through it. That little thing contains my stamp carving stuff. These are my acrylic and rubber stamps. I love this storage system. It works for me. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to back up just a little bit to the back of my desk again. This handy thing, okay, it's a Lazy Susan, is my tool can holder thing. It's got pens and pencils and holds my glue, my favorite glue, and that AGG stuff too, and brushes and just all kinds of handy dandy things. I made it. If I can find it, I'll link to it, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Did I do video? See, now I don't even know if I did video, but I love it. It works so great for me. Just saying, so great for me. So this is, excuse me, has all kinds of mishmash stuff, but I know where it is, so it works. Here's my little camera set up. I have this stick. It stretches across and rests on one of the floor lamp light doohickeys. And then my camera is right there on the end, hanging over my desk. In this Rascog, I have my craft paints, baby wipes, various sundries. Second shelf has extra craft paint and some golden, looks like the stuff in the tubes or the bottles. And then the bottom shelf has my spray inks. I don't use them real often, but I do like to have them handy. My chair. It's a mess, y'all. Here's a different view with the trying to help myself, y'all, with the stick that holds my camera. And this side of my desk is where all the magic happens, y'all. That's my working laptop that I work on out here, my art studio one. When I say it is held together with duct tape, I'm not kidding, y'all. I'm not. It's holding it together. So this Rascog has inks on the top and blending tools and some mark makers, and it holds my ATGs. That little table back there holds a second floor lamp, because it needed to be way more taller. So I have that, and I set it on there. And it holds what? My 2.5-inch circle punch and my Xyron. And the second shelf on the Rascog, I guess I should have finished that first, holds die cuts and my paper dolls that I love so much, and words, including some that I have made and printed. The bottom one has miscellaneous stuff underneath it, but it has my stamping, my foam stamping pad, my platform, and underneath, I'm going to squat down, underneath I attached 2 little boards from a Dollar Tree sign. I glued them underneath there so that I could slide my scoreboard in and out of there. And that's working really well for me, y'all. All this stuff so far is working really well. Let's see. Yeah. Look how clean. Look how clean my counters are. They're cleared off, and I'm hoping to keep them that way. I have been practicing putting my stuff up for quite some time. And hopefully that stuff showed up on the video already. Otherwise, I will have to come back out and try it again. And let's see, what else? Anything else? No, I think that'll do it. Let me know if y'all want to see one of those arms reach thing videos as I'm at my desktop tabletop working.
Photo montage. Yes, you have to practice putting your stuff up. And you have to make an agreement with yourself. If you bring it in the studio, you're going to put it away like you're supposed to. Okay? And like I was saying, if y'all want one of those arms reach tour when I'm sitting in my desk, just let me know. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments, send them by way of email, whatever makes you happy. I appreciate each and every one of you, your kind comments, your likes, your subscriptions. If you've not done so, take a moment now. Thanks for watching, and happy arting, y'all.